There.
Hello everyone, welcome to the beach. Before you go, you need to do a quick health check.
It won't take a long.
That's right. Just a few questions and you're ready to beach.
Health check? I don't need one. I just want to get the water. I understand but this is important. We do it to keep everyone safe. We're taking this new question to secure that all the borders are safe.
The most part was clean. I did it last time, and it was super fast.
Yeah, I just want to make sure we're healthy before we hit the door.
But why are you doing this? I'm perfectly fine.
It's for everyone's safety. You don't want to put in the worry. It's like a quick game stop before the fun starts. Think of it as a way to get on the beach.
But wait, where's Kyle?
Yeah, he didn't take the health check. Okay, everyone, we need to follow the rules.
Kyle, stand up. We need to follow the rules.
I just want to say that it was legal. It's legal, Carl. What if you got wrong?
Yes, Carl, we all made it. It was hard.
Sometimes just follow the rules and rest of us.
Alright. I'm sorry. I should have done better.
Good. Now let's do it properly.
It's all good, Carl. How are you going to do the beach right away? Yeah, I want to give you a hand.
Lesson learned. Now, let's go to the beach.
Go.
Go!